Alright, so I just wanted to show you a woodworking jig here, which I use to get stock down. In this case, it's 1/8 of an inch, and I've got veneers here 1/8 of an inch thick. So all I do is I get close, and then for the finishing passes, so I clamp it up, something like this. And where do I want to take? So basically I would plane, and once I start to produce a white shaving, I know that I'm down to depth. And I have another jig for 1/4 inch, and I just want to show you this one. This is slightly different. Here, this is for 24 millimeters, and it's sized for my 5.5. And again, I put the stock in there, and I just go down, because the blade doesn't extend all the way across the sole. It doesn't actually cut into these runners. So a slightly different variation, but they both do the same thing, and they're very useful. Obviously, over time, this wears out, and you can just remove it and put new pieces down. But that's it. Thanks for watching.